This is a really interesting summit because you have supply chain, you've got folks from safety and quality, and a few suppliers of products and services. So I think this is a really interesting community in the food space.
I think it's a way that again, innovation and quality and food safety are very top of mind, and companies need to be here to understand what's going on in the industry and stay on top of changes.
I think that it brings together a lot of manufacturing and a lot of really small manufacturers too, and I think there's been a lot of questions from the small manufacturers on things that we're doing, and so it really makes me think as we work with our smaller suppliers and those kinds of companies, how do we make things relevant to them and how do we make things work that we might as a bigger company do in a different way. So that's definitely been thought-provoking.
It has been a wonderful conference, learning a lot from expert regulatory bodies like CFIA, FDA, USDA, asking questions that only experts with a lot of experience in the industry can give you those right answers.
I think what attracted me to the summit this year was the number of and the variety of sessions that you guys had. The very interesting topics, especially the FBI one that I just attended. That was a lot of really good information.
Found the networking to be great. The lunch roundtable we hosted was fabulous. We were able to, again, connect with a lot of prospective customers as well as current customers and understand their challenges and present our solutions.
Well, it's a very diverse set of topics. I think the most interesting have been the ones with the FBI. They came this morning and presented on potential insider threats that a company might face. That was very interesting. And then there was a very interesting talk earlier this morning about sanitation key performance indicators.
I think I've met a lot of companies. In fact, I have talked to several people who are companies that we either supply to or are suppliers to Land O'Lakes, and so have done some really good networking on specifically probably the culture topic, and also have had some really good conversations about foreign material control processes and things that are going on in the industry.
Foodsure is that one place. They take the knowledge at that high level and break it down in a way that no matter who you are, you can understand, and which is very important because once you understand, you are in that position of going back and communicating that knowledge to your different industry, thereby bringing up that change, because change is what we need in this industry.